Ropes Organization Walcott Foundation Indian Trust Special Coaching to 8th, 9th and 10th Classes Digital Virtual Learning Bangaru Palimani Rugangavar from Pedapunjani by Reddy Pullimandal.
Chairman Dhansekaran. Director Drive Sri Lata.
Hi everyone, this is Sukumar from Ropes Organization. So today in 8th class, data handling, how to construct the pie chart for the given data, that we will discuss. In this one, see in the exercise 5.2, now how to construct the pie chart for the given data. So in the 5th question, the number of students in a hostel speaking different languages in the given below. Display the data in a pie chart. See here, language number of students: Hindi 40 students, English 12 students, Marathi 9 students, Tamil 7 students, Bengali 4 students, totally 72 students are there. So for this data we have to construct the pie chart. సో ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం ఎలాగా దీనికి పై చార్ట్ అనేది ఎలా మనం కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయాలనేది చూద్దాం. ఓకే, సి హియర్ in this one to construct this data, see here question number 5.2 exercise, question number 5. In this question number 5, see the given data is data they given, this is the data they given. Language students, see here Hindi 40 students, here Marathi 9 students, English 12 students, Tamil 7 students and Bengali 4 students. In this hostel, total students 72 students are there. So for this data, how to construct the pie chart? Before going to learn, first we have to find the angle. Okay, angle of each language. Now we will find the what is the angle. See now, angles of each language. See first Hindi. Here total angle is 360 degrees. Hindi, in that Hindi portion is 40 out of 72 into, to find the angle we should multiply with 360 degrees. Now 360. See 72 ones are 72 5s are 72 ones are 72 5s are. Now 40 into 5, 200 degrees. Out of 360, Hindi portion is 200 degrees. Now we'll see English totally 12 students are talking. Out of 72, 360 degrees. 72 ones are 72 5s are. Now 12 into 5, 60 degrees. Now Marathi Marathi totally 9 students are talking out of 72. To find, we should multiply with 360. 72 ones are 72 5s are 9 into 5, 45 degrees. Now, Tamil totally 7 students are talking out of 72 into 360. 72 ones are 72 5s are, that is equal to 7 into 5, 35 degrees. 35 degrees. Now, here Bengali totally 4 students are talking out of 72. To find angle into 360. 72 ones are 72 5s are, that is equal to 4 into 5, 20 degrees. 20 degrees. So, if we add these total angles, then we have to get 360 degrees. Then only our angles are correct. Otherwise, it is wrong. Okay. See, 200, 260, 45 plus 35, 80, 260 plus 80, 340 plus 20, 360 degrees. So, our angles are correct. Now, based on this information, we have to construct the pie chart. How to construct the pie chart? That's we will see. See now, here, this is the circle. First, we should construct the circle and we should locate the midpoint of the circle. Okay, from the circle, first by using the scale and pencil, we should draw any line from center to circumference of the circle. That center we have to take as O. From this O, it is A. From this, first angle of Hindi 200 degrees. 200 degrees. Otherwise, if you are confusing, first small angles you take. Now see here, English is 60 degrees. Now you keep the protractor here like this. This is the 90 degrees line. It should be at O. From this 90 degrees, from right to left, it is the line. So here 60 degrees, mark 60 degrees and remove the protractor. Now join. So circumference to center. Now mention it is 60 degrees. This is English. Now again, now you keep the protractor until take it as B, OB. So from OB you keep the protractor like this. Now measure 45 degrees in the protractor. This is 90 degrees line now. Now 45 degrees approximately here. You can measure with the protractor exactly. Now after measure this one, remove the protractor and draw the line up to circumference. This is the C. Now it is 45 degrees. It is nothing but Marathi. Now again Tamil is 35 degrees. Now you keep the protractor here like this upon this line. Now measure 35 degrees. After that remove the protractor and through that point you join circumference and the center O. Now give the name here D. Now mark it. See here 35 degrees. Mark it 35 degrees. It is nothing but Tamil. Okay, right. Next Bengali. Bengali is 20 degrees. Now keep on OD protractor keep on OD. So after that measure 20 degrees. Okay, measure 20 degrees. Now join that one. Remaining everything is, okay, remaining everything is nothing but 200 degrees. Now measure 20 degrees and join this. Okay, see, it is 20 degrees, it is Bengali. Remaining angle is nothing but 200 degrees. This 200 degrees is nothing but Hindi. This is the way how to construct the angles, how to construct the pie chart. Okay, how to construct the pie chart. Okay, right. See here, this is the way of constructing the pie chart. Okay, understood everyone? So if you understand this one, please like and share to your friends. Thank you. Okay, thank you.